decent size 3.5, maybe 4 meter white shark. He's a juvenile. Check him out from above. You can size him up to the ski. The ski's 3.5 meters. He's just cruising around at the back of the breakers there. Oh, look at him go. Surface conditions are a bit ruffly, so difficult to see through. There's a surfer just about 100 meters away, not a care in the world, has no idea, but this is a decent sized shark, so we're probably going to have to let him know. Whoa. Check him out, he is wicked, a wicked size. Typically, he's a beauty. Typically we see a lot smaller whites around because this is a juvenile breeding area. Quality. Oh, so good. White sharks, they live for about 50 years. I think on record there has been documented a 70-year-old shark, which is pretty impressive. He's very calm around the sea. He doesn't seem phased at all. We've come in just for a closer look, but we will keep our distance. There he goes, he's turning front on, just behind the ski there. Wow.